We have the sound blanket right here. So we are just going to open it up. Be very careful, you guys. You do not want to rip your blanket. This is very nice, very thick. Y'all see the thickness right there. Don't know if I got a measuring tape, but we could do all that later. Have your holes right here, right on the top. Ring holes. 1, 2, and then 3. All right. And you guys, this is pretty thick. All right, so what I'm going to do is test out the decibel levels, me sitting in my little blogger corner over there, and I'm gonna test out the decibels with the blanket right in front of me. So I want to kind of make it like closed in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna turn y'all around. We are going to head to this back wall over here. All right, got y'all into action. So put a light over here. I'm gonna put a light over here. All right. I'm gonna brighten it up a little bit up in here. Brighten it up. All right. You guys, if y'all haven't checked it out, these newer lights are very awesome. I love it. I know they got other lights out there that does rechargeable. So yeah, no wires involved. Only time you need the cord is when you need to charge up your lights. Like 45 is my normal dB that's in here. We did reduce the sound a little bit. The sound used to be louder. Now, I am 45 with nothing on here, okay? Just regular, no sound barrier, no nothing. Of course, I got my little sound absorption panel right here, but other than that, that's about it. So let me go ahead and hook this up real quick. Back y'all up a little bit. Y'all all of that. Let me go ahead and take y'all off of this real quick. All right, so as you can see, we are all the way at the top, and then we still got some hang time on the bottom. All right, so y'all can see that it is flowing on the bottom. So I believe if you have this, like, let's say you want to put it on your wall, if you have it all the way at the top, then you're pretty good, because I still got about 4 more inches of clearance up there, but due to the clamps, I'm a little bit restricted. So yeah, that's it with that. So that's pretty nice right there. All right, you guys, so with that being said, let me be quiet. I don't think it really changed too much, but I could hear the sound difference as far as getting closer towards it. Seems about the same, but I do hear the sound difference. But as far as the decibel meter is the same, but I do hear a difference as far as going, back and forth through the sound. Okay, you guys, so the blanket didn't really change too much of the decibel levels, but I could actually hear the sound dampen as I talk. So I definitely hear a difference in it. But as far as like really dampening the sound, you will need to fill up your room with more than just one blanket. So me, I'm trapping myself in a little corner right here. So As you can see, I kind of boxed myself in with it. If I wanted to, I'll just get this and get another blanket, cover this whole side of the wall. That way it will really dampen the sound. But other than that, that will be it. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.